Hi there. I have a question for my Jehovah Witnesses friends. In the Kingdom Interlinear translation of the Greek scriptures, if you have one, I got a couple questions for you here. So I opened up the Kingdom Interlinear, and here in Philippians 2:11, I want you to notice, and when it says, 11 says, and every tongue should confess out that Lord Jesus Christ into glory of God Father. So the Lord, see that word for Lord, the way that's spelt there. It's very interesting. I noticed that it's a very similar word in Revelation 1:8. So let's take a look at that. Now if you take your Kingdom Interlinear and go to Revelation 1:8, look over here, and it says, I am the Alpha and the Omega, saying the Lord, the God, the being, and the was, and the one, and the coming, and the Almighty. Because the other ones are in parentheses, so I'm not looking at those. But look here where it says Lord. That's the same exact word used in Philippians. So if you go over, how do they translate that in the New World Translation? Well, they translate that same word, Jehovah. So, in my opinion, using your Kingdom Interlinear as the Greek translation of that word, how should that be read? So, using the Kingdom Interlinear as our Greek scholar or Greek example, I believe that this should read, and every tongue should openly acknowledge that Jesus Christ is Jehovah, because they say it's Jehovah in 1:8, it's the same exact word, same exact spelling, to the glory of God the Father. That's my opinion. And I also got one more thing to talk about, because it all comes into play when you look at all these things together. So now it all makes sense. If we go to John 22 and 23, it says, for the Father judges no one at all, but he has committed all the judging to the Son, in order that all may honor the Son just as they honor the Father. He that does not honor the Son does not honor the Father who sent him. So every knee shall bow and every tongue shall confess that Jesus Christ is Jehovah, to the glory of God the Father, because you honor the Son just as you honor the Father. If I'm wrong, please help me understand.